to my channel Jhanak's World. So friends, in this lockdown, you all know our mothers are very much stressful and tired because everyone is at home. They have to work triple and this brings them a lot of stress and tiredness. And we are also at home and studying from online classes. So I have an easy way from which I will just raise out all the tension, stress and the tiredness. Soak the grams overnight and hang them in a cotton cloth under the tap. So I'm going to make a sprout salad that you all gonna love. So sprouting process increases nutrition levels, making sprouts richer in protein, folate, magnesium, phosphorus and vitamin C and K than unsprouted plants. Sprouts. So we have to put this into a container. Chop the onions. Now we have to mix them. Now we have to put green chilies. I have chopped them already. Now we have to put them. Now we have to take pomegranate. Friends, you can also put cucumber, peas, coriander and mint in this. To increase the taste, we need jeera powder, salt, I am using this black pepper because I do not like red chili powder as it's harmful for our health. Now we have to put dried mango, that is amchur. And get the last, lemon juice. We have to mix all the ingredients well. Delicious sprout salad is ready. Now I am going to serve it to my mother. My sprout salad is ready. My mother will be surprised and going to love it. So friends, do you know the benefits of this sprout salad? It protects us from cancer. It decreases our fat. It is good for digestion. It makes our hair strong. Detoxify body. Remedy for anemia. Make hair stronger. Controls weight. And is filled of antioxidants. Like and subscribe and press the bell.